Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply trademark registration easy guide. Start by choosing a clear mark, then run a comprehensive search for similar marks to avoid refusals. Prepare a precise description of goods or services, pick the correct filing basis, and gather specimens if required. Complete the online application carefully, pay the filing fee, and monitor the application status regularly until registration issues. Begin with structured searches using official databases and trusted tools to map potential conflicts and reduce risk. Check exact and similar spellings, translations, and stylizations, including design marks and sound marks. Save screenshots and notes as part of your filing record so you can demonstrate due diligence. If you find conflicts, refine your mark or consider coexistence agreements before submitting the application to improve chances of success. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It pairs great with work sessions and legal research for hands-free audio. Check the description for the link and other deals to make filing smoother. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare the application by confirming ownership, selecting the correct filing basis, and describing goods or services clearly and concisely. Upload acceptable specimens that show the mark in real use or intent to use in commerce. Review all owner and attorney contact details carefully, submit payment, and retain a copy of your confirmation. Track electronic correspondence and respond to any office actions promptly to avoid abandonment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.